Today we're going to do the pistil stitch to add these cute little greeneries that stick up around our 3D plants over here in this corner. So to start with, you will want 2 strands of your lightest green thread, and we are going to bring our needle up at the base of one of these lines here. I'm going to pinch my thread with the hand that is not holding the needle about 3 or 4 inches away, and in between where I'm pinching it and it's coming out of the fabric, I'm going to wrap that thread around the needle 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and now I'm going to bring my needle back down where I want the top of my pistil stitch to go. And before I push my needle all the way into the fabric, I'm going to gently tug that thread so it's nice and flush with the fabric and tightly wrapped around my needle. Then I'm going to pull it all the way through and gently tug so I have my straight line with my knot at the top. And I will just keep adding pistil stitches here.